Hey there, today I'm bringing you a mouth-watering recipe for seafood okra that's sure to impress. Here's what we're gonna need to make this delicious seafood okra. Palm oil, pepper mix made with bell peppers and scotch bonnets and some onions. Seasoning, okra, spinach, crabs, tilapia fish, cooked and uncooked prawns. For the prawns, you want to make sure they are properly cleaned. Here's a quick video showing how to clean prawns the right way. Trust me, you don't want to dig into your seafood and see anything nasty in there. Make sure to clean them thoroughly. It's worth the extra effort for a fresh and flavorful dish. Alright, now that everything is prepped, let's get to cooking. Start by heating up some palm oil in the pan, add your onions and saute until fragrance. Then go in with your pepper mix and stir everything together. Add your seasoning, give that a good stir, and also I'm using some crayfish. Add that in as well. Give it a good stir and cover the pan to let it fry for a few minutes. Once the base is fried nicely, add in a little water. Be mindful here, it's better to start small because you can always add more later. Now it's time for the seafood. Add your crabs, add your tilapia fish. You can customize your seafood. Feel free to add squid, calamari, or whatever you like. Okay, there's no limits to your seafood. Add as much as you want. Tilapia doesn't take time to cook. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, and trust me, after 2 minutes your tilapia is ready. Okay, you don't need too much time to cook your tilapia fish. Carefully take out the fish so you can stir the okra without breaking the fish. Next, add your prawns and let them cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Prawns cook quickly, so be careful not to overdo it. Now it's time for the star of the dish, our freshly chopped okra. Once you add the okra, give that a good stir. Here's an important tip: do not cover the pot. Keeping it uncovered ensures the okra maintains its vibrant color and perfect texture. Let this simmer for about 2 more minutes. Finally, add your spinach for a pop of color and nutrients. Give everything a good stir. And at this point, you want to gently return the fish back to the pot. I forgot to add that video, but you get the memo. There you have it. Our delicious seafood okra is ready to serve. This recipe is so good, you want to make it again and again. Give it a try. Let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, comment below if you have any questions, subscribe for more recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a thing. Happy cooking!